In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to stack or how to combine widgets on your Galaxy phone. So let's say you have a widget and you want to have another widget, but you don't want it to occupy some more space on your home screen. You can actually stack widgets together or combine them. So you can see I have a big widget here. So let's say I want to add another one. So I'm just going to pinch and go to widgets, and then let me find the widget. Now it has to be the same size. Okay. So you can either select maybe a base widget like this one, tap on it and add. Now the problem with this is that you can see these widgets, they are both occupying space like that. And so if you drag this widget onto that one, it allows you to create a stack. Okay, so you can see both widgets are in the same stack. And then when I tap on an empty space, now both widgets are occupying the same space. Okay, so that's how to combine or how to stack widgets on your Galaxy phone. Now, alternatively, you can long press on your current widget and then tap on stack or edit stack, and then you can even add another widget here. So let's find another widget like a Chrome widget, for instance. Let's add this one there, tap on add, and you can see they don't even have to be the same size. Okay, so that's how to combine or stack widgets on your Galaxy phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.